In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit a photo's location in Google Photos for greater accuracy. If you've ever taken a great photo but the location wasn't saved or needs correcting, this quick walkthrough will show you how to update it right inside Google Photos and how to make it even more precise with Google Maps. Start by opening Google Photos on your device. Give the app a moment to load your library, then open the photo you want to update. Once the photo is on screen, look for the More option, usually shown as three dots. Tap that to open the menu, then choose About to see the photo's details, like date, device, and location. Next, find the Location field. If there's already a location, you'll see a pencil icon next to it. Tap that pencil to edit the existing location. If there isn't a location yet, you'll see an option to Add a location. Go ahead and tap that. You'll now have a search box where you can enter the location. Type a place name, address, or city. As you type, suggestions will appear. Pick the one that best matches where the photo was taken. Take a second to confirm it looks right on the small map preview if one appears. If you prefer not to show an exact address for privacy, you can select a broader place like a city or landmark instead of a street address. If you want greater accuracy, you can also open Google Maps and place a pin right where the photo was taken. Drop the pin on the precise spot, then use the place name or location details shown there as your reference in Google Photos. This is especially helpful for outdoor photos, trails, or spots that don't have a clear street address. Once you've identified the correct place in Maps, return to Google Photos and enter that same location in the search box for the photo. When you confirm the location, Google Photos will update the photo's metadata within your Google account. This helps you organize your library, improves search by place, and makes your memories easier to find later. Keep in mind, if the photo is in a shared album and you don't see the pencil icon, you may not have permission to edit that detail. That's it. Open the photo, go to More, then About, edit or add the location, and use Google Maps for pinpoint accuracy if needed. With just a few taps, your photo's location will be clean, accurate, and much more useful when you're searching by place.